Hi everyone, this is Farah and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome to FeBAGuary. I've been doing daily handbag videos this whole month of February, weekly unboxing videos, and I'm going to end this all off with my entire handbag collection. If that sounds great to you guys, I really hope you will go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. I'm really hoping and trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year, and I would be so thrilled and excited if that could happen. And today is actually a really bonus special video because I've been doing all my unboxings and uploading them on Sunday, and I've done everything from Gucci to Louis Vuitton, and this is exciting because this is like a special bonus unboxing I was not expecting to do, but I was on FASHIONPHILE and I was just kind of browsing a little bit, and if you guys haven't watched my 2023 wish list video, which I'll link down below, I was talking about wanting to own a PRADA item, and PRADA is one of those brands that I've been looking at for a long time, and I know a lot of their more casual brand bags are more popular, but it hasn't really caught my attention. But I've always really been interested in their Saffiano leather, and I just have always wanted to try that out because it looks like it's so hard wearing and durable. And while I was in FASHIONPHILE and I was looking, this small leather good SLG just happened to pop up, and it was an unbeatable price, and it was in a color that is just beautiful perfection. I can't wait to see it. And I thought, why not try out PRADA in this way, because one, I needed this item anyway, something to try out, and it's a way for me to kind of actually check and see, do I like the leather, and is PRADA a handbag that I would want to invest in the future. So let me go ahead and turn this around. All right, now that I've gotten you guys turned around, so I just did the top tape of the box just because the shipping information is on there, so I kind of went ahead and put those out of the way. Now we're gonna get into it. I'm so excited. This box is so cute. FASHIONPHILE always has really cute packaging for their boxes, so I'm opening it up. This is FASHIONPHILE there, their symbol on the side as well, and you can see that's how it looks on the inside. They've got their little confetti, and they always give like a nail file, so things like that in there. So they always have some like little confetti, which is cute. And then their FASHIONPHILE nail file. I like my bunny where I can see it hanging in my closet. It's really cute. And then here's the big item. I'm going to get this box out of the way. All right. So it's just wrapped in a paper. Oh, nice. They gave a little FASHIONPHILE dust bag. So here it says what the item is. It's a PRADA Saffiano metal trifold wallet. So it has a little sticker for that. So I'm kind of telling you what it is, but you're not going to know what it looks like just yet, I don't think. So here's the FASHIONPHILE dust bag. That's so cute. I've never seen a dust bag this little for like the SLG. So opening it up. Now this comes with like supposed to come with the box. Yay, how nice. So there's the box, the PRADA box. Just really simple. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, nice. There's kind of the interior of the box. So it has the FASHIONPHILE tag. Oh, normally they attach the tag, but looks like maybe on SLGs they don't. So it just says FASHIONPHILE certificate of authenticity. This item has been inspected by our team of expert authenticators and backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. And same kind of sticker that was before, noting what it is. And here they always have this little tag that says, snip the tag to make this beauty yours, no returns once removed, although this was not attached. And here we go, getting into it. So you've got the original box, the tissue paper. So let me go ahead and open it. It's so nicely packaged, like all original packaging. So this looks like, this must be like the, certificate of authenticity certificate card. It says it right there. So nice. So that's their certificate card. In the back, I think it has the information on there, so very nice to come with that. And then I can see my item. There's the box. It's like this nice, beautiful, like a felt material. All right, let me open it up. Wow, it's so nicely packaged. They did a really good job. Well, here it is. There it is. My first ever Prada item. So it's the Prada Saffiano trifold wallet. This beautiful, like, kind of a berry pink color. So it's got the Prada. Now this is definitely, pre-loved, so there is a little bit of wear you can see, or it looks like it's, they have everything, so they've taken decent care of it, but they look like they've used it. It says Prada Milano right there, established 1913. It's nice, like gold hardware, all that's rubbed up a little bit there. This is it. It's like the size of my hand. I love this leather. This is what I was always interested in, kind of seeing how the Saffiano leather was, and when you open it up. So here it is. It's like a trifold, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 little credit card holders here, 4 here, and then it's got an extra little credit card area there, or other things you want to put. An area for cash. Honestly, I don't carry cash anymore, but it's nice to put my receipts and things there. And then here, a little area for coins. I don't really carry much coins, but I like to put things like hair ties, like things, for example, like bobby pins, stuff like that there. So very nice. Inside it says made in Italy, Prada, Milano. Gorgeous. So there it is, guys. There's a little bit of corner where I can see, but there is my first ever Prada wallet, a Prada item, and it's a wallet in this beautiful color. This was from FASHIONPHILE, came with all the original packaging as you guys saw, so very exciting. Wow, I love this. This is just like really beautiful. Like I can see that it's really hard wearing. This has been worn, but it's still in, especially the interior is really, really good condition. So excellent. Love it. Love it. There it is. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. This was definitely a special bonus video, bonus unboxing that I wasn't expecting that I would do, but this wallet just came along and I just couldn't say no. The price was unbeatable. It was a brand I've been wanting to try. Prada's, definitely a well-known luxury house that I've just always wanted to get my hands on and wanted to try out their Saffiano leather. So what better way to do it? And the color, oh my goodness, the color is just absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Please go ahead, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to see you guys in my next videos. As you know, I still have more videos for the month of FeBAGuary that I'm going to continue to do on handbags. I have another huge unboxing to do this coming up Sunday. I'm so excited about this unboxing. This is a handbag that I've wanted for a long time, and I finally ordered it, found it. I haven't gotten it yet, but I will be getting it soon. So once that happens, I can't wait to show you. Hopefully it comes by Sunday, it should. And then I'm gonna go ahead and upload that video then. And then on the 28th of February, my entire handbag collection. So excited. And even after all this month is over, the series is over, I'm still gonna continue to do handbag related videos. I love doing videos on handbag, luxury, fashion. So if you love that kind of content, you're definitely gonna love it here. So please go ahead, hit subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.